So the first question about CentOS 7 ELS is, after adding extended lifecycle support to my CentOS 7 server, will I be able to update my WHM and cPanel versions as it is allowed right now due to the current version of CentOS 7 on my server?
So the CentOS 7 service, end of life service that we provide here at TuxCare is a maintenance process. So unlike the way that the individual packages within the distribution move forward over time, CVEs come out, patches are applied, those packages move forward, they get iterated. We will be maintaining the last complete and final version of all of the packages that we support within CentOS 7 ELS at that last state. So all of the compatibility that all of the applications that you are consuming in your application stack today, they should all be compatible with that very last version at the 7.9 release at end of life. So we will synchronize the repository and those package versions. Our naming convention will stick with that final version name. We'll add a tag .tuxcare.els with a number. That number will iterate over time with the number of CVEs that we patch. So it's very easy for compatibility to make sure that whatever your application stack is using today is obviously going to be compatible with the final release version of CentOS 7. And as us maintaining that final version, we won't change any of the ABIs and information required for compatibility. So you'll still be compatible with the last state of CentOS 7, and any of your application stack that are running on CentOS 7 compatible with the final 7.9 release will experience no difference.
That's a great explanation.